Hey guys, so let me start by saying a thank you to everyone who has been supporting this channel, and we have reached about 5,000 subscribers, so family, and without you it would not have been possible. So thank you each one of you. I invite you to join on our live sessions that we do it every evening. I think that's a great discussion that happens by at the end of the day. I invite you to be a part of it. Make sure you hit that bell icon because sometimes you don't get the notification when we go live. So make sure you hit the bell icon, and even then YouTube might not send you notifications. So I invite you to join the Telegram channel because I'll make sure that I'm sending the notification on the Telegram as well so that you can join us. So a big thank you to each one of you. Join the Telegram group. We can have some healthy discussions there as well related to new cryptocurrencies, new ICOs, new news and development. So enough. Now let's start with the news today. So we have the first news is from Zimbabwe. So Zimbabwe, if you remember, Zimbabwe was the Reserve Bank of Zimbabwe had the same thing that Reserve Bank of India had, which is stopping all the banks to be supporting any cryptocurrency exchanges. And the good news here is that Zimbabwe High Court reverses the central bank's cryptocurrency ban. So the decision has been reversed. So now Zimbabwe is free to go ahead and trade into cryptocurrency. So the banks are going to be supporting. Now this news is very significant because this is a similar situation here in India right now, where the Reserve Bank of India has given 3 months notice to all the cryptocurrency exchanges. So there is absolutely a learning for India as to what needs to be done from here. And I believe if you compare India and Zimbabwe, I guess India is more developed country than what Zimbabwe is. So if Zimbabwe had to do this, I'm sure there's no reason why India would not do that. And let's say if India does reverses the decision, and if they say that, okay, we are supporting cryptocurrency exchanges, there are huge possibilities in India. So of course there are many possibilities that can be formed, but some of the possibilities that I do see, and let me know what are the other things that you are excited about, is that we will definitely see more and more cryptocurrency exchanges being launched. So every investors, traders in India will have more options. You'll have more young investors. So because most of the people I see here into cryptocurrencies are young, so these are millennials, and it's quite understood because whenever there's a new technology, it is the youngsters who use it first. So yes, there are going to be more young investors. They're going to be. It's not that they're not going to be older investors. Of course, I'm just saying in a general, they're going to be more investors in India, and you will definitely see more merchants also accepting Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, so that you don't have to have a hassle of changing from crypto to fiat, which is again expensive. What if you could pay for everything in crypto, and you will see adoption there. Then also you will see leading global brands. So you will see exchanges like Coinbase. I mean, this is just the possibilities. Maybe this is all about dreaming, but I think this is the possibility, because the reason why I mentioned Coinbase and others, because these are some huge exchanges across the globe. And to be honest, if India does open up the cryptocurrency market, this is going to be very big. This is going to be very big as probably China, because we are huge in numbers. So India has a great potential. So don't be surprised if you see brands like Coinbase and others moving to India and setting up their exchanges here as well. And of course, there is no doubt we'll attract more startups from across the globe, like how you have seen what is happening with the Malta and other countries which are attracting more and more cryptocurrency startups. And the cryptocurrency startups are going to be growing rapidly. I mean, there's going to be exponential growth into the startup, into the blockchain space. What if India could attract those talents? What if India could attract those startups? It's going to help India as well. So I do think that Bangalore might turn out to be the next Silicon Valley. Maybe this is over exaggeration, but somewhere close to that, because Bangalore is considered to be an IT hub. So I would like to believe that these are the possibilities. Of course, there are many more possibilities as well. If India starts, accepting cryptocurrencies and let these exchanges operate. The other one I want to share is from Chinese exchanges launching Southeast Asia cryptocurrency exchange. So this is what we are talking about. One of the Chinese exchanges called Zebi.com. Even though they are not operating in China, but they are going global, guys. So they are now setting up an exchange in Thailand called ZB Thailand or ZB Thailand, right? And so they are already operating, and they are putting up in Thailand because Thailand has come up with the regulation. So here you see the Thailand with a plan to turn it into a regional crypto trading hub in Southeast Asia. The move came as the Thai government finalizes the country's regulatory framework for cryptocurrencies and initial coin offerings. So Thailand has done so, and so these exchanges are moving to Thailand. Zaby.com is also operating in US, Canada, Switzerland, Australia, and South Korea. So you will see more and more global companies nowadays because cryptocurrencies are truly global. And don't be surprised, I think one of the exchange from India, which is CoinSecure, has already set up their operations in Venezuela, right? So I do think that these Indian exchanges will also start going abroad and setting up their operations in different countries. That's amazing to see. So the company plans to expand its digital currency trading platform in Thailand in addition to providing knowledge and understanding of blockchain technology and investment in digital assets to Thai investors, including recruiting strategic partners to attract more foreign investors to invest in Thailand. You know, one key thing that I want to mention, highlight here is in addition to providing knowledge and understanding of blockchain technology and investment in digital assets. Now, this is another thing which is possible in India, because once RBI said that, okay, we are letting exchanges operate, it's regular, it's legal and all that, there has to be more and more institutes in India which are offering this knowledge on the blockchain and cryptocurrency asset, because all of a sudden you will see more investors jumping into this space, thus resulting into their adoption. This is a new miner, guys. So Japan's internet giant GMO is one of the biggest firm in Japan, internet company, and they are launching a new type of Bitcoin mining machine, which is called as Miner B2, equipped with 7 nm chips. So the miner name is called B2. Now you must be knowing the current miner that we have is called ASIC miner, which is called S9, which is produced by Bitmain, one of the biggest firm, right? So as of now, Bitmain does have a monopoly when it comes to ASIC miners. Anyone who wants to mine Bitcoin, they need to have this application specific circuit, right? So ASIC miner, and so now you have one more mining machine called B2. So they have, the products are already ready. Anyone who wants to place the order can go ahead and place the order. It looks very similar to S9 miner. However, they have not revealed the actual shape and size of this B2 miner as yet. But good to see that you have more mining machines coming out, because this way the whole Bitcoin thing is not centralized. What if there is only one company producing this mining machines? We are talking about the centralization. When you have more companies like B2 miners from GMO and then Bitmain China, slowly there is a decentralization when it comes to acquiring mining machines also. So congratulations, we have one more mining machines in the world that is in existence. The last one I want to share is also the Revolt. Revolt is a UK company which is basically an app on the phone, and last year they started trading Bitcoin, Ethereum and Litecoin, I guess. By the way, Revolt has about millions of customers already, millions of users already on their platform. So now they are adding 2 more, which is Bitcoin Cash and Ripple, to their offering. So you can see there is rapid adoption happening. All these traditional companies are adding Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies as an option for their users. And that is why we spoke yesterday. I was speaking to you about why there's absolutely no price growth, because even though in spite of so much of adoption happening into the space, and there's absolutely no reason why it should not be going up. And we were talking about the price manipulation. So there is absolutely a price manipulation going on, and that is why we see the market as it is right now. Otherwise the market would have seen a different picture. I did found yesterday a very nice video. This is by the channel called Data Dash, one of my favorite channel, I must say. So there is this video on how markets are manipulated. Watch this.
Today I want to spend some time to kickstart a new series here on the Data Dash channel, where we focus in on specific topics that people tend not to talk.
So this is an amazing video that I found, and I thought I'll share with you. This video really talks about what kind of manipulation does happen in the market, very well described and very well explained. And you have this right mindset when it comes to investing or maybe trading into cryptocurrencies. I think these are must know information. So please, I'm going to leave the link of all this in the description below. I invite you to watch this, and do join the Telegram group. Do join us live. Thank you once again for supporting this channel, and I'll hope to see you in the next video. Take care.